there, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start an LLC in New York, breaking down both the DIY approach and the easier route using professional services to do everything for you. So, why choose New York for your LLC? Well, despite having some higher costs compared to other states, New York offers some serious advantages. It's home to one of the world's largest economies with incredible access to capital, diverse market opportunities, and a massive customer base. Plus, New York offers strong legal protections for business owners and has well-established business laws that can really benefit your company as it grows. Now, let's talk about the simplest way to form your New York LLC by using Taylor Brands. The thing is, while you could do everything yourself, using a professional service can save you tons of time and headache. With Taylor Brands, you basically just fill out a simple online form with your business details, and then they handle all the complicated paperwork and filing requirements for you. They'll prepare and file your articles of organization, provide you with a registered agent service for receiving legal documents, and help you create an operating agreement. They'll even assist with getting your EIN from the IRS and make sure you stay compliant with all state requirements. The cost breakdown is pretty straightforward. They'll file your LLC for you completely for free, and you just pay the state filing fees. For their other packages, which covers your state filing fees and registered agent service for the first year, you're looking at between $130 and $250 typically. Then there are some optional add-ons like expedited filing for an extra $100 if you need things done quickly, and their premium package, which includes extras like business templates and compliance alerts. Personally, this is what I recommend to anyone looking to start their LLC because they are priced well and offer packages that fit everyone's unique needs. Now, on the other hand, if you prefer to handle everything yourself, let me walk you through what you'll need. First, you will need to choose a unique business name. The name must end with Limited Liability Company or LLC. You can check availability on the New York Department of State website for names. Then you need to select a registered agent. This can be yourself if you have a New York address, but many business owners prefer using a professional service to maintain privacy and ensure they never miss important legal documents. The next step is filing your articles of organization. You will need to submit this to the New York Department of State, either online or by mail. The filing fee is $200 and processing typically takes 7 to 10 business days. After that, you'll need to publish a notice of your LLC formation in 2 newspapers for 6 consecutive weeks. This is actually unique to New York, and the newspapers must be approved by the county clerk where your LLC is located. The publication costs vary by county, but typically range from $200 to $1,200. Now, there are a few more things you will need to handle. Within 120 days of forming your LLC, you must file a certificate of publication with the Department of State, which costs $50. You will also need to create an operating agreement within 90 days of formation. This is actually required by New York law. Then there is the matter of getting your EIN from the IRS, which is free and can be done online. You might also need various business licenses depending on your industry and location. Plus, don't forget about the biennial statement filing, which costs $900 and is due every 2 years. So, what is the best way to go? Well, if you are comfortable handling legal documents and don't mind spending time researching requirements, the DIY method can save you some money. However, you will need to be really organized and careful to meet all the deadlines and requirements. You can probably see why I recommend Taylor Brands or similar service because they can actually be more cost-effective when you factor in the value of your time and the peace of mind knowing everything is being handled correctly. They will keep track of all your deadlines, help you stay compliant, and provide support if you have questions along the way. Basically, whether you choose the DIY route or go with a formation service, make sure you keep good records and stay on top of your ongoing requirements. Set reminders for important deadlines like your biennial statement and consider working with an accountant to understand your tax obligations. If you're ready to move forward with professional help, I have included a discount link to Taylor Brands in the description below. They offer a really streamlined process and great customer support to get your LLC up and running quickly. Remember, starting an LLC in New York might seem complicated at first, but taking it step by step makes it totally manageable. Just make sure you follow all the requirements and deadlines and do not hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more business tips and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new business venture.